Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on discounts. In my previous video, I spoke to you about the three types of discount that GCP offers. First is the spot or the preemptible VMs. The second is the SUD. The third is the CUD. Today, I'll get into a little more details about each of these types, the differences between them, and the limitations that they come with. So let's get right into it. First up is the spot or the preemptible VMs. These are a great way to save on your cloud computing costs. They offer the same machine types, options, and performance like your regular instances, but they come with a steep discount of up to 91%. The reason they were designed was so that users can tap into the excess compute resource available on the GCP platform. It is, however, recommended to run these for your fault-tolerant workloads such as batch processing, testing, CI/CD, or containers which are naturally stateless. These resources are not guaranteed, which means whenever a regular instance is running out of resources, the platform will reclaim it from a spot VM and provide it to the regular instance. You will, however, be given a 30-second notification so that you can gracefully shut them down, or you can also define a maximum run duration for them and specify how they clean up after themselves once they have been preempted. The difference between a spot and a preemptible VM is that a preemptible VM shuts down every 24 hours, but a spot VM will run for so long as the regular instances are not running out of resources. So the sustained usage discount, as the name suggests, is a discount applied for a sustained usage of compute resources over a period of time. This discount is applied automatically and no action is required from your end when a resource is used for a sustained period of time, which is 25% of a month or more. So when a resource is used for all 30 days, you get the maximum discount in this category, which is 30%. The discounts get applied to all general purpose machines, memory optimized, compute optimized, and even GPUs in some cases. The last type is the committed usage discount, or CUDs as we like to call them. So unlike the other two types, this is not automatically applied, but this is a contractual agreement for a term of 1 or 3 years. Under this, you have two types. First is the resource-based CUD. The second is the flex CUD or the spend-based CUD. A resource-based CUD is when you commit to consuming a certain amount of resources, such as vCPUs, memory, GPU, or local SSDs. So say for example, 100 cores and 100 GB memory based on the historical usage of your resources. So in essence, this gets applied to resources provisioned by your GCE or your GKE. Now, this gets applied at the project level and it's scoped to a certain machine type. Depending on the quantity of the resource that you commit to consuming and the term, which is 1 or 3 years, the discount percentage can vary anywhere from 37 to 55%. And if you're using a memory optimized machine, then this can even go up to 70%. At the time of purchase of this commitment, you will enter details like the quantity of the resources and also the term. Based on this information, the discount percentage and the discounted value gets displayed in the summary. It is this amount that you will get charged month on month until the term ends, and there is no upfront payment that you need to do. Flex CUDs or the spend-based CUDs. Now let's say you have a particular resource such as compute engine instances which are getting charged consistently at $1,000 month on month. Now you can choose to commit to spending $1,000 for this resource. Based on the term, which is 1 or 3 years, a discount percentage gets applied and it's the discounted value that you will get billed for your GCE instances. So just like your resource-based CUDs, based on the amount of money that you commit to spending and the term, which is 1 or 3 years, a discount percentage ranging anywhere from 28 to 46% gets applied, and it's the flat rate that you will get charged instead of the full value. The reason it's called as flex CUD is that it offers a lot more flexibility than your resource-based CUD, such as purchase at a billing account level. So it can be shared across all applicable resources across all the projects under this billing account. It can also get extended to services beyond GCE, such as your Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Cloud Run, Bigtable, GCVE, and GKE Autopilot. Now let's take a look at the order in which these discounts are applied and which discount is applicable when. Spot prices are applicable only to spot VMs or preemptible VMs. SUDs get applied to eligible resources which are not tied to any other discount program. And in the case of CUDs, Compute Engine first applies resource-based CUDs. And once all resources are exhausted for the resource-based CUD, if you have purchased any flex CUDs, then the flex CUDs get applied. Once both of these are exhausted, for every incremental hourly usage of your instances, SUDs get applied. Lastly, real quick, let's just take a look at some of the limitations to keep in mind when you think of these discounts. In case of SUDs, it's best to create your virtual machines in the beginning of the month so that you can get the max possible discount in this category at the end of the month. When you purchase a commitment, your commitment takes into effect at 12 a.m. on the day following the purchase of the commitment. Once you purchase a CUD, they cannot be cancelled or terminated. If you want to purchase a commitment or a CUD for a GPU instance, then you must purchase a resource-based commitment for the N1 machine type. Flex cards do not apply to GPUs or local SSDs. Lastly, at any given point of time, a resource can be tied to only one type of discount. These discounts cannot be combined. While all of the discounts I spoke of are tied to hardware, we also offer commitments for software licenses. When you purchase a commitment for a software license, the commitment forms a pool of these software licenses. So when a VM gets created in a selected project under a specified region, the license gets applied to it automatically. And when the VM stops, the license is returned to the pool. So that's it, guys. If you have any further questions, please shoot them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. I've also attached the links for your reference in the description. If you want me to cover any other topics under Google Cloud, please shoot them as well in the comment section and I will try to cover them in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.